Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting plastic surgery. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm getting plastic surgery. I don't even know how to start this video. I've never done a video like this. I'm like full of emotions. I don't even know what I'm thinking. I don't know if I'm excited. I mean, obviously I'm excited. Obviously I'm thrilled. I've been waiting for this moment for my entire life growing up. You know, for someone like me that does beauty videos and being in the spotlight and being out there and showcasing my face and, you know, putting myself on the limelight, I go through so much criticism. I deal with so much judgment. I deal with so much name calling. I deal with so much things that can probably tear a normal person down, but I'm one of those people that just have really, really thick skin and I kind of laugh at it and kind of just put it aside and not deal with it and just kind of, I live like that. You know, I'm 35 years old. I've dealt with this since I was like in middle school. I've always been made fun of in school because of my cheekbones. I've always been made fun of because of the way of my face looks. And I've never let it kind of get to me because it's one of those things where like, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You know, so the only thing you can do is just go under the knife. And next week, I'm going to Korea and I'm getting plastic surgery. I'm getting my face done. I'm tired of dealing with people's criticism. I'm tired of people judging me on if I had fillers. Never once in my entire life have I ever had filler. I know I look like I have filler, and it's one of those scenarios where like people just think like they know what I've done, and I just kind of have to go along with it. For years now, I've gone with the scenario of I've had fillers. Never had fillers. My cheekbones are real. I've had these cheekbones since I was a kid. I never even knew cheekbones were something that people wanted until people started like pointing their fingers at me saying, oh my God, she got her face done. He's done too much. He's done this, he's done that. And it's just like this darkness that I've lived in that I'm tired of living like that. I'm tired of owing people explanations and owing people my story on what I've done. Yes, my lips are done. I've got Juvederm for years. My ass is fake. Yes, I've got it done for years. I'm not ashamed of plastic surgery. I've always supported plastic surgery. I've always supported someone to create their journey. I've always supported anyone that wants to do anything to make their life that much easier and that much livable. I've never passed judgment on anyone and what they look like and what they want to do to their bodies. You know, and I feel like we live in a world where people are so quick to judge people and make people do certain things and put people in a box because they want to just kind of do things to enhance their body or fix something that they've been dealing with. I've never taken a photo straight on because one side has always been bigger. I've always thought my face was deformed growing up since I was a kid. My mom was always a protector of me because, you know, I thought I was deformed. I've always taken pictures to the side where I go like, you know, like that. Because I'm hiding this side. I'm tired of it. When I buy sunglasses, I have to always tweak the sunglasses to fit my face accordingly because one side would always hit the sunglass. So my sunglasses are always usually very tiny because it's so uncomfortable. I'm tired of living like that. I'm gonna go make a change and make my life better, whether this is approved by the world or not. I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this for me and my life to live comfortably, and I'm doing this for my journey. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm doing yet because I will be recording my entire journey for you guys because I keep it 100. I'm not gonna sit here and bullshit and lie to you guys and tweak things and do things because I don't do that. People think I do. People think I have, like I said, people think I have fillers and my cheekbones done and all these things, but I just look like that. Like, I don't know. And also, I feel like when I do makeup, because you guys know makeup is my heart and soul. I love makeup. The way I paint sometimes gives off that. And at the end of the day, anyone that has criticized me and made fun of me, move on. Whatever. I don't care. I'm not doing this for you guys. And I just want to be on my YouTube channel just to be really, really transparent with you guys. I know I've been gone for a while. It's because of this. It's because of this journey. I've been planning this for almost 2 months now. I don't want to say too much because this is the beginning of this beautiful journey that I'm going to go on. And all I hope is just positivity. I don't know. I don't know what I'm hoping for. I don't know what I'm coming back to. I don't even know what people are going to think about the way I look. I don't know what people are going to think. I don't know. It's kind of scary, but I'm going in there with my head up high, and I'm excited. I'm being taken care of by professionals and people that have been doing this for a long time, and they're making me feel so safe and so excited. So I'm gonna look at this as such an amazing, beautiful, positive experience. And you guys, I'm gonna see you guys on the other side. I'm like literally so excited. I don't even know what to think. And I wanted to do this video without makeup, without anything, completely bare skin, just because this is the last time I'm gonna be addressing you with this face. So yeah, cheekbones, wow, it's gonna be good. I'm excited. I just want to take this time to say thank you to everyone that has followed me, has been following me from the beginning, has supported me, has been there for me through thick and thin, has not judged me. You know how people are, they're so quick to say things online because that's what they can do, but in person, people are not going to say it to you because people don't live like they do on Instagram or YouTube, you know? So I just do my best to ignore those and move on. And by the way, follow my Instagram, because I will be very, 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 very active on my Instagram on my journey. YouTube will be active as well, but there is a schedule. I just want to take this time. I'm going to talk to my monitors right here, so that's why I look this way. Vaughn, Kimora, I love you. Thank you so much for being there. This face I will always remember. I will always, you have taken me through time, through struggles, through positivity, and it's not a goodbye. I'm gonna remember, and I will always cherish what this face has given me. I will go down in history as the goddess of cheekbones because ain't no one's cheekbones gonna look like this. So yeah, I love you, Kimora, Vaughn. Thank you. Thank you for being you. And you guys, I will see you guys on the other side.